Yeah, now every single meter on this is like a little party. Now it actually, okay, it doesn't have much acceleration. Okay, folks, it's all slipping away. Look at this. It's autumn is here. It's been supposed to be raining for weeks here in Norway. I've sold my bike. I don't know if I'm coming or going. I've been looking at a couple of bikes, so I have some clips I'm going to show you today. But mostly it's looking to be the end of the line for this season. Okay. I'm trying to find some shelter from the storm under this ceiling. I'm rusty. But I did try the Yamaha Bolt, the XV950 Racer. So let's look at some clips from that, shall we? Yes, sir. Hallo.
Er du I båtforeningen?
Nej.
Takk da.
Är den I gir nu eller? Ja, okej. Jag bara ser på streken här. Oh, this is a wild position. I'm like a sports bike. This is very interesting. But that sound is gorgeous. Oh my god. No, that can't be what's in. And the pegs are in a bit of a strange position. I do like the vibe of it. I love that sound. I really do. But I'm sitting so like in a hockey position. The pegs are high up and it's no, it actually, okay, it doesn't have much acceleration, but you feel because of that sound, you do feel like there is some power here. And I gotta say, I like this motorcycle. If you can get over the ergonomics, I think the Yamaha Bolt is a joyful machine. But alas, no sale today. It's because that Bolt was very slow. Ooh, I don't think I could have fun on that. You know, all the cruisers I've tried have left me disappointed with the, you know, they talk about torque. Where is this torque they're talking about? You know, it's not CP2 levels of torque, I can tell you that. None of the ones I've tried, at least. So, yeah, I guess if it's a cruiser, it would have to be like a power cruiser, like a, you know, ex-Diavel. I think I'd have to sell both my kidneys for that. So, but I don't know, Yamaha VMAX? Nah, I don't want the hassle of an older bike. Jesus Christ. Oh my lord. God, it's fast. Jesus Christ, it's fast. Oh. It's nimble. Oh my God, it's fun. Yeah, now every single meter on this is like a little party. Just completely bonkers. It's a rocket ship. It really is. And that is kind of what I need, isn't it? But it is small. Damn, it's a shame because it's a great motorcycle, but it's just, well, I don't know. Can I ride this? Ah. So there you have it. Wonderful motorcycle. I love the Yamaha. I love the CP platform. Now the CP3 is my new favorite. It makes me want a Tracer 9, you know. Maybe at some point in the future I can afford a Tracer 9 GT Plus with all the fixes, all the trimmings. Okay folks, I just got this dainty and cute little Yamaha Tracer 9 from 2015, the very first model. So it's not a quite, it doesn't have all the little fixins and tricksins that the newer ones have, but it has the CP3 engine. And good Lord Almighty, that's all I really need. That's all I really want in many ways. Hey! I got a new bike, folks, and I love it. I feel much more relaxed on this than I did on the Tenere. The wind feels less intrusive. Probably because I'm lower down, I don't know. But on the Tenere, it felt like I was a sail that was being dragged by the wind. Look at this, it's Westfall. Beautiful Westfall County in the autumn. I love it. And I'm out on a motorcycle again. I'm happy as Larry, okay? I'm a happy camper. It's so good. The CP3 engine, it's so good. Jesus, det var lite för fort. Oh, it feels different in the corners. I need to practice and learn. I'm not used to it. That CP3 engine is just... it's so much fun. And I
look at that. So I bought this bike an hour and a half ago. I just got on the bike and rode here. Just a little taste, that's all we need. Within the speed limits, just skip-a-daddling around a little bit. For a young buck like myself, the CP3 is where it's at. I love this engine. It feels endless.